Defense contractors in pursuit of CMMC certification must submit a strong system security plan, or SSP. It's your roadmap for protecting controlled, unclassified information. By following these best practices, you can create a winning SSP that sets your organization on the path to CMMC compliance and certification. 1. Clearly define your system boundaries. Use detailed diagrams and descriptions to show assessors exactly what's in scope for CMMC controls. 2. Provide specific details on how each control is implemented. Don't just say you use encryption, explain how you use it. 3. Back up your claims with supporting documentation. Policies, procedures, and evidence create a clear picture of your security posture. 4. Address any gaps with well-defined plans of action and milestones or POAMs, demonstrating your commitment to continuous improvement. And 5. Provide thorough, evidence-based justifications for any exceptions to control requirements. To learn more about writing an effective SSP for CMMC compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.